Today we're doing something very different from what we usually do. This unique listing belongs to a dear client of ours that is looking to sell. So here we are today at Laman Setiakasih 8, Damansara Heights. Laman Setiakasih 8 is one of the few tightly guarded enclaves in Damansara Heights. Within this enclave, you have ready-built semi-Ds and land plots for those who seek to build their dream homes. The semi-Ds here sit on a land plot of 3,500 to 4,500 square feet and transact at an average price of 3.8 million. The bungalow land plots here include a wide range of sizes from 6,000 square feet to 10,000 square feet. There are only 23 bungalow land plots here, 5 bungalow houses and 8 semi-Ds all within this quiet neighborhood. Today we are here at this bungalow land plot spanning over 8,546 square feet. Trapezium land plots tend to offer lots of privacy and a very unassuming entrance. It is common belief that irregular land plots tend to be unfavorable feng shui-wise. Ideally, the land plot is a rectangular or square, but there are many factors to consider besides just the land shape. Before purchasing this land, the homeowner had a feng shui consultant to inspect the land. They found that for trapezium-shaped land, it's acceptable if the mouth of the land is smaller than the pouch behind. Of course, being in real estate, I've seen many clients bring different feng shui masters to see properties and land. And what I've learned is that not all the same rules apply to everyone. So in this case, the feng shui master gave her green light to purchase this land because this land plot is backed by rocks, which is solid. Laman Setiakasih 8 is surrounded by mountain and greenery, so the back of this land has boulders giving you the support you'll need to ride through those life challenges. At the same time, this particular plot does not face any other houses, so the qi can flow easily. The landowners also planted tall sustainable trees for wind circulation to further improve the energy flow. Besides the feng shui aspect, from a design perspective, irregular land plots can be notoriously challenging to build on because the land cannot be divided equally from the middle down. However, if you partner with a good architect, you will find that designing and building on an odd-shaped block can be incredibly rewarding. Houses developed on asymmetrical blocks can take advantage of irregular areas and turn them into unique outdoor features like garden zones, a koi pond, playground, or a barbecue area. It also provides unique opportunities in terms of space, more natural lights, and nicer views compared to landlocked ones. If you want a one-of-a-kind patio, balcony, or garden, you can achieve that with a house on an irregular block. In the case of this land plot, it already comes with its own drawings and approved plans, adopting all these specific elements to create a unique 3-story bungalow that is ideal for a small family who loves to entertain and yet seeks out an oasis of peace in the center of city life. And let's get into the details. The architect here ensured that the entire home is enveloped by greenery and landscaping. All the homes downstairs overlook the greenery and landscaping. He ensured that every inch of greenery, including the forest reserve, at the back looks into the rooms downstairs. He designed a guest room, tea room, gym, granny's room, utilities area. He reserved the middle of the home for a large landscape courtyard that comes up to a whopping 559 square feet of green landscaping within the home, and enveloping this are several indoor ponds. It is clear from just the ground floor design that nature is very part of the design. The car porch area is designed to be on the other side of the house and comes up to a spacious 889 square feet. Tucked at the corner, once inside the home, you will not see the cars, but be totally enveloped by nature, indoors and outdoors. The ground floor is where the guest room and granny rooms are located. It is considered the lifestyle zone of the home. As you move upstairs, the architect allocated 4,391 square feet for kitchen, bar, dining, living rooms and several terrace decks, including a swimming pool. The dining is tucked at the back with a terrace surrounding it so that it opens up to the forest at the back, as with the 2 living rooms. The top floor is the quietest zone of the home with a cozy 1,722 square feet of floor space. This is where your master bedroom will be located, with 3 rooms and a family hall and a study. I like that the architect only used half of the floor space for the top floor. So this means that from the exterior, the place will look more like a home instead of a square building. As demonstrated, irregular blocks of land can have amazing potential with great landscaping and lots of amazing outdoor space. The total build-up plan that comes with this land is approximately 9,472 square feet. With a construction cost of approximately 300 per square foot, you are looking at a total bill of 2.84 million. This land is asking 1,200 per square foot, which translates to 10.544 million. So, from land to construction, you're looking at approximately 1,500 PSF or 13 million. So, looking at all the past transacted data, I think you'll be well within market range should you choose to purchase this land and see it through build in this perfect location with great security. Thank you for watching our first land tour video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to follow all our channels. If you'd like to find out more, give me a call or drop me a text. I'm Yin Peng from Yin Homes, always happy to show you the place. Bye!